Okay, morning everyone. Welcome to the second day of Plone Conference 2025. We have a tight schedule today, so without further ado, let's begin. Our first talk of the day is going to be by Elizabeth Donay, and her talk is going to be iMio web portals aren't 100% based on Plone fake news. Can we have applause for Elizabeth?
I will talk about iMio and its relations with Plone. It's since early 2000s we working with Plone. So what is iMio? iMio is a public service that offers apps and services to local authorities in Wallonia. Wallonia is the French part of Belgium. And we promote open source and the pooling of financial resources of local authorities. We work with a lot of local authorities. So you can see 139. We have 66 staff members, and we have lots of applications in production. Smart Web is only one of these applications. Local authorities, it's several categories, but the main part is municipalities and cities, and public social welfare center. For the use of Smart Web is the same proportion. The majority is for municipalities and cities. What is an iMio Plone site? It's a public website. We call it Smart Web. What the needs for local authorities? It's manage a lot of information and in different sites. So we use partner site and sub-site. Partner site, this is a site where the navigation menu is reset. We have multiple editors, so Plone is perfect for this, for managing and edition. The needs, it's also a public website for a public service must to be fully responsive and meet expectation of accessibility as fully as possible. Editors want also more flexibility to design pages to meet their branding also. But what kind of Plone? iMio Smart Web is Plone 6 Classic UI with customization to meet the needs of public authorities, as we see. Which version of Plone? Today we have 148 Plone 6. So it's a great development. Because if you remember, in 2022, we have. Ah oui, je peux pas. Pour projeter le deuxième écran, le deuxième truc. Je sais pas projeter mon. C'est le deuxième. Je peux pas le projeter. In 2022, they left 16 Plone 3, so no, just one. It's good, and we have more than 117 Plone 4, and no less than 100. So it's a great development. Non, non, ça marche pas, mais c'est pas grave. Ça marche pas. Tant pis. Tant pis, tant pis, tant pis. Ça marche plus. Le fermer. Ça marche plus. Je vais revenir sur ma présentation, ça ne marche pas. I have a problem investing. No. The question was, is it really a Plone seat? But of course, is it? But we don't use form. We don't use authentication for internet user, and we don't use classic news and even views. Why? Because for views, we use React views, because this single page tool offer a modern and speed user interface. And also because we use authentic sources, 3 authentic sources to manage news, events, and directory. And it's just a view in Smart Web. And for authentication and forms, we don't use Plone because iMio has another iMio app. It's teleservice. And it's a tool really tailored for secure authentication and forms. It's based on Public. Public is an open source tool, French tool. So we offer secure authentication via Trust National Digital Identity System. It's me in Belgium. And we have online forms all in the same place for the citizen, and with end-to-end case management. So we really have from the question of the citizen to the managed process, all the workflow and administrative process. And citizen can see the status of the questions, and it's really used to this. So we have this municipal online service portal with Public, and we meet the needs of the citizen with Plone beside. Public is also based on Python. It's a Django framework, and it's also open source. So we have really citizen solution. It's consistent with value of iMio. And so we offer this citizen package, but it's not only for administration, because citizen can propose news or events or contact information to be displayed in the website, in the smart web. And also, we use the citizen package to manage citizen participation. So citizen can propose projects to use financial resource of the cities and so on. And before, we have a Plone instance separate to do this, but now all interaction with the citizen is public side. So we have forms with approval workflow and administrative processes in the e-guichet, teleservice, Public, and the view of a project are in the smart website. we use also React Views to display this. And this citizen package is not only for teleservice and smart web. We also display information they are managed in other applications in iMio, IADlib and Délibération, and Parent Portal also, and IATech for technical information. So we see Plone is okay for technology and for our iMio infrastructure, but what about editors? Because public agents are the core of our solution, and yes, what about the satisfaction? We see that they prefer Smart Web Plone 6 than Plone 4. Restrictions, it's often we can choose the color of the text or justify the text and so on. But this is a restriction that makes sense because it's for accessibility and responsive implications. So we can do other with another way. So in general, they love Plone, and our best editor loves Plone. It's Carla. We use a copywriter to migrate the content of Plone 4 to Plone 6, and Carla really loves Plone. This is his testimony. I regularly work with different CMS platforms for web projects, and Plone quickly stood off for its reliability, logic, and consistency. This tool provides a very reassuring working environment for a content manager. So it's a great testimony for Plone. And his testimony is really consistent. So you can see this on but it's 2 page. So the main elements are reliability, consistency, logic, clear and intuitive back office, smooth and efficient editing, well-structured content types. So if you want to read our GitHub repositories, and the conclusion is iMio and its staff member, but also as its customers love Plones.
Thank you for the presentation. Do we have questions for?
Hi, thanks, Elizabeth. That was great. I have one quick question. When you have so many different municipalities using the same sort of thing, how much room do you give them to make their own version individual for them? Or do most of the sites then look quite similar? Or do you give them some options to bring their own branding in and
Yes,
to individualize it?
We individuals each site has merde. Pourtant je suis sur le même truc. Tu lis. Ah purée, tu le regardes là. Oh, je ne vais pas. Je suis déjà bloué ma feuille. Each site as its layout. Yes. Peut-être aller là, non?
Thank you. That does answer my question.
Yes. I can show you a lot of sites.
So they have the choice. That's
yes.
my question.
But There are basic layout with small and perhaps months. Yes. This is a personalized yes template.
No Wi-Fi.
Mons is a big city for Belgium, so yes, yeah.
Oh yeah,
Yes.
there is one.
Jeremy is the graphic. Is the graphic. Ouais. This is a real personal, yes, with animation.
That's something very
Thanks to Thomas. No. Yes. What's it?
That's beautiful.
And you offer that service as well. It's in-house, so they choose it and then from there they can personalize it.
We personalize.
Yes.
Yes.
They make the decisions though.
Yes, only this. Yes, they don't work on a CSS.
We make the template, the integration. No, scissors.
It's for the recording.
Yes, we make the template and the integration for HACT.
Yes.
You said you had React views for the news listings, for example, and other things. How do you use the REST API to get the data from the backend then, or do you provide the views with the data directly from your custom views?
Thomas?
Yeah, we use REST API to get JSON from the authentic sources, and we have a React view to display this.
Yes. And with authentic sources, we can also sharing with open data, and this is a reaction. We are not responsible of images. No more questions?
Do we have any more questions for Elizabeth? Yes. Okay. Thank you for the presentation. Can we have applause for Elizabeth?